Are you a beginner when it comes to presentation skills? Are you looking for someone who can guide you through this process, get you over the hump of being uncomfortable, nervous, uncertain what to do, and get you to the point where you're just good at this and you don't have to worry about it anymore? You've come to the right place. Are you looking for special effects, music, lots of graphics and animation? You've come to the wrong place. When it comes to presentation skills, you have to stand up or sit down and speak to people. We can't hide behind special music. There are a lot of other courses out there like this. This is just one thing. It's me giving you advice, tips, expertise based on 30 years of training people one-on-one, face-to-face, on how they can improve their presentation skills. If that's what you're looking for, go ahead, sign in. Better yet, do the sneak preview. Won't cost you anything. What do you have to lose?